Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create poll on Instagram in two ways. So there will be several ways to create Instagram polls, and today I would like to show you to create Instagram polls for Instagram story and your group chat for Instagram. Open your Instagram application, and right after that you just need to open the Instagram camera. Make sure that you are staying in the home sections, and right after that you just need to slide your screen into the right side so that you will have an access into the Instagram camera. And right after that there will be like a square on the below part on the left side here, so you just need to click them and pick the picture to be a paste of these story sections or the story content. And after you found it, you just need to click them. And to add the polls, you just need to take a look on this top features. There will be this icon, these icons with smiles symbols there. Go click them, and after that you just need to find this poll. Go click them, and you just need to prepare the questions that you want to ask into your follower, like a Choco help. Then given options, and right after that you just need to go click done. You can also adjusting this position as well as the size by pinch with two of your finger and just drag it into the specific part that you want to place the polls on. And if you after you finish, you just need to go click add to your story, and you already create the polls for your Instagram story. And for the other one, you just need to open the group chat. So on the group chat on Instagram, you can also creating the poll section. So you just need to open the group chat that you have been created, and right after that you just need to go find the symbols too, because the polls is already there, and you just need to go click this part. Now it's just the same. Go prepare the questions, like what is your comfort food probably, and then you just need to give them the options, and so on and so on. And after you're done, you just need to go click create poll, and here we go, we're already creating the polls on group chat. So that is the way, guys, how to create polls in a two ways for Instagram application. Hopefully the tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.